Ancient One, the heavens wait for your movement. Nations cry for your fire.
Rise, O ancient King,
Yahweh, Yahweh,
ancient of days.
The earth is shaking from your voice. Mountains tremble at your name. Every throne of darkness falls when the ancient King awakens. Through the storm you ride in fire, wrapped in glory, crowned in light. Every knee shall bow before you, Lord of heaven's mighty armies.
Rise, O King,
Take your throne,
let your glory flood the earth.
Ezambebige bibilie,
Igwenoa, Igwanyawehenile.
Igwenoa,
Igwenoa, Igwanyawehenile.
Igwenoa,
Igwenoa, Igwanyawehenile.
Igwenoa.
Igwenoa. Rise, O ancient King,
Let the heavens hear us sing.
send your fire through the night.
Break the chains and bring revival.
Arise, arise,
King eternal, arise.
Jehovah, Jehovah.
Take dominion once again. Ebubedike ani. Ebubedike ani. Hachichiri agagi emerioso. Every altar built in darkness falls beneath your holy flame. Every captive shall be rescued by the power in your name. Your breath awakens dry bones. Your roar releases holy fire from the ashes of the broken. You are raising mighty worshipers. Holy thunder, holy power, move among us, ancient King. Akagidike Jehovah.
Ibokuneroku, 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 Ibokuneroku. Ancient King, arise.
We call you Yahweh.
Ancient King,
We
arise.
call you Adonai.
Ancient King,
We
arise.
call you Adonai.
Ancient King,
We
arise.
call you Adonai.
Ancient King, arise.
We call you Adonai.
Ancient King, arise.
We call you Adonai.
Ancient King, arise.
We call you Adonai.
Ancient King, arise.
Otogonibiye.
Fight our battles.
Send revival fire.
Fight our battles.
Send revival fire.
Fight our battles.
Send revival fire.
Fight our battles.
Oh.
Rise, O ancient King.
Shake the heavens with your wind.
Let your glory flood the nation.
Till the earth cries holy again.
Holy, holy,
Holy, Lord God Almighty.
ancient King.